If you're considering Zeel Solutions Ltd for your business but aren't sure if it's the right fit, stick around because today we'll break down 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a purchase. I'll give you a no-nonsense, in-depth look at this software and compare it to other solutions on the market so you'll be equipped with everything you need to decide. And by the way, you can try Zeel Solutions Ltd for free through the first link in the description below. No strings attached, so make sure to check that out. But let's dive in. First, Zeel Solutions Ltd offers a unique set of features that stand out in the marketplace. While competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot offer similar customer relationship management (CRM) functionalities, Zeel takes it a step further with its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for smaller businesses who don't have the luxury of a full-time IT team. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm new users. Plus, unlike some competitors, it doesn't come with a bloated set of features that you might never use. Next thing, Zeel Solutions Ltd's automation capabilities. Unlike traditional CRM tools, Zeel goes beyond simple task management and focuses heavily on workflow automation. What does this mean for you? It means less time spent on repetitive tasks and more focus on the important stuff. Think of it like your personal assistant working 24/7. Whether it's scheduling follow-ups or sending personalized emails, the automation process is seamless and effective. The third thing to consider is Zeel's scalability. While some CRM systems are really built for enterprise-level companies, Zeel offers a flexible solution that can grow with your business. If you start small, you won't be locked into a tool that's too complex or expensive. And if your company expands, you can add features and integrations without needing to migrate to a completely new system, unlike some competitors that force you to upgrade and change workflows. Now, let's talk integrations. Zeel Solutions Ltd seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, which is a huge advantage when compared to some of the more rigid platforms out there. Whether you use Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, or even e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Zeel connects effortlessly. This means you don't have to abandon the tools you already rely on. The fifth thing to note is Zeel's analytics and reporting capabilities. Many smaller CRM tools fall short when it comes to deep analytics, but Zeel Solutions Ltd doesn't skimp here. It provides detailed insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and performance metrics, giving you actionable data to drive your strategy forward. While some competitors offer basic reports, Zeel's reporting tools are far more customizable, so you can tailor them to your specific needs. Next up, we've got customer support. Let's be honest, good customer support can make or break a software decision. Zeel has built a reputation for responsive, knowledgeable support that's available via chat, email, and phone. Unlike other CRM systems where support feels like an afterthought, Zeel makes sure their customers get the assistance they need when they need it. If you've ever dealt with the frustration of slow support, you'll appreciate this feature. The seventh and final thing to know is the pricing structure. Zeel Solutions Ltd is incredibly competitive, offering flexible pricing models that are far more affordable than some of the high-tier options out there. While tools like HubSpot or Salesforce might price you out as you scale, Zeel's pricing is transparent, and you only pay for the features you need. This makes it a great option for small to mid-sized businesses looking to get the most bang for their buck. So, if you're looking for a CRM that's flexible, easy to use, and grows with you, Zeel Solutions Ltd could be the answer. Don't forget, you can try it completely free using the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits, and you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business. Click the link and get started today.